G'day. From guess where? Bangsaray again. So today I'm going to look at a villa for rent and a corner unit at Del Mare with a friend of mine, Tony, and his girlfriend, Lynn. And yeah, so they're both rentals. So we're going to compare a pool villa, or it's a villa with a little plunge pool, I think. And the rent's quite reasonable, and then a 55 square metre corner unit in Del Mare. So yeah, come along for the ride. But just a quick thank you to everyone that's been subscribed to the channel. I've reached a milestone of 15,000 subscribers this week, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. And just on that, I was having a look at the analytics, and it says that 63% or 63.2% of you viewers are not subscribed. So do me a favour, just subscribe. It's free. Anyway, let's go and check these places out. Okay, so 3-bedroom villa. There's your gate and your undercover parking and a sensor solar light. And the rent here is 23,000 baht a month. And that includes cleaning this little plunge pool twice a week. Very private. So we're on the Bang Saray seaside of Circumbit Road, just off Circumbit. You get this. Quite a big house, really, well, compared to a condo. And you've got that. There's a bedroom there, another one there. Um, Kitchen, you can close the door if you're cooking. So I'm with Tony and Lynn, who are now friends of mine. Tony's from Australia. And his girlfriend Lynn is from Chiang Mai. And I'll be doing an interview with Tony at some point to talk to him about why he chose Thailand and the whole decision process and how it all came about. You've got a king-size bed here. Samsung aircon. Your wardrobe. Nice lights outside. So this is all undercover, which is pretty cool. Be quite nice to live in a villa as opposed to a condo. But we'll see what Tony and Lynn think, and then we're going to have a look at it. They actually live in Del Mare, but they're going to have a look at a different room. And this must be the master. Another aircon. Look at that. Out of bed, straight in. There's a wardrobe, little makeup table. I've just got to find the laundry. Here you go. So the washing machine's out here. Top loader. Big water tank. What do you think? 23,000. And we're going to look at a condo for 25. Quite nice. Put a table and chairs out here. Barbecue. Park your cars and bikes in there. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Villa? And I'll show you the beachfront condo, which you've seen in some of my previous videos quite a few times, where I used to live. So Sukhumvit Road is just up there, and then it's a very short drive to Bang Sarai village. Okay, from Villa, back here. If you've watched the channel for a while, you'll know that I've used to live here. Del Mare, Bang Sarai beachfront. And just above that wall is the pool. It's the best pool, the best view. It's just wicked. Look at that. So yeah, I'll show you the facilities again. There's a tennis court on top of the car park. Great gym, 2 levels, sauna. There's showers over there. Nice and shallow for the kids here. And this pool, it's quite deep. In the middle, it's 1.6. And then on the edge, it's 1.2. So you can sort of hang on the edge over there and watch the view and the sunset. It's awesome. Sun lounges, and you can sit up there as well. Mailboxes. And here's the gym. So you've got 4 treadmills there. And 3 weights. So a decup. Yep, I'm back. Look at that for a view. So, I used to live there. That's 2402. That's where I was living. This is level 23 and a corner unit. And Long Notch Gardens over there. Yeah, so this is a 55 square metre. Never rented before. Thai owned, and they just cover the furniture up when they're not here, and the TV. And they're putting a washing machine in right there. And here's the front door. You've got storage under there, some drawers. And you can store shoes here. More storage up there. Good sized fridge. And you can tell this has barely been lived in. It smells good. Some more storage here. King size bed. Look at that. What a view. It's all wardrobe space here. Drawers. So this one to rent is $25,000 a month. That's good. I'll show you guys what I'm doing for drinking water, because I now get a 20 litre bottle like that delivered, and I bought an electric pump from Lazada designed for the bottle. And I've put another wardrobe here, storage. Okay, I was just pulled up for videoing in the gym by a juristic, and I was told I can't video the common areas anymore because they've sold out of the condos. But so that's the car park there. Obviously, you can see plenty of scooter parking, and on top is a tennis court. And that gym, I only showed you the ground floor, but upstairs there's more weight machines and the saunas and bathroom. But anyway, what do you think of that room? Tony's probably going to rent it 55 square metres, 25,000 a month. And I just asked the agent, my old room, 2402, is available for rent at 16,500 per month. And yeah, 24th floor, and that includes Wi-Fi. So I paid a bit less than that, but I paid up front, and that was well over 12 months ago now. So anyway, what do you think? Beachfront condo or a villa? See you soon. Thanks for watching.